Hello everyone, James again from KSTHL Labels. Classic woven label. How to we can make a good woven label for our clothing labels. So first is the design artwork is very important. If for about the quality, so we have enough can meet your request. So we production woven labels more than 15 years. I can say that in this moment we can make out the best quality of all the or all of the world. We can do the best quality of the on the world. We also cooperation with some famous brand on the international like CK, MIUMIU, Thomas, and Guess, also Tommy and Verdi, also so many the clothing products brands. So if you need a good woven labels, you can contact with us. Thank you. Bye bye.